Hey, welcome to Auntie's Cakery. I'm so glad you could join me today. For this Easter, a customer got a hold of me and asked me to make a cute little bunny cake for her daughter's birthday. A couple days before I baked the cake, I made some little bunny ears. Cutting went a little wrong, so I'm just fixing the shape of the tip of that ear. And eventually I'm going to stick these down into the cake, so I'm just going to insert a couple bamboo skewers into the ear. And I'm going to add a little pink to that ear. Of course, I made 2 of those. With a little piping gel, I will make a glue so I can sprinkle this pretty pink sugar onto those little fondant ears. Then I'll glue that pink onto the white. I want one of these ears to be folded over just a little bit. So I've wrapped a wad of fondant in some saran wrap and I'm folding that ear over. Then I'll set it in a safe place to harden a little bit. And the day comes to make the cake. Look how cute this is. Those little rainbow sparkles inside the cake. Perfect for a little girl's birthday, don't you think? Filling it with vanilla buttercream. Stacking it up, it's going to be a little bit tall, because tall is cute. And a thin layer of icing called the crumb coat. Then I'm going to stick it in the fridge for 20 minutes or so and add a thicker coat of buttercream. Again, stick that in the fridge to harden up, rolling out another slab of fondant. Drape it right over that cake and smooth it out as best I can. And these 2 little balls are going to be the toesies. Using a fondant tool to make these little indentations. Oh, they're so cute! Then I'm going to form the little nose, a little pink nose. So cute! I mean, this cake is altogether just darling. Now it's time for the little eyes. This one take a little more time. Got some black fondant here. Roll it out, rolling, and turn it into 2. Oh, perfect size. I'm going to bend them around this cup so they have the same shape. And last, I'll add some little eyelashes to the end. Sorry my hand gets in the way for this. It's kind of a very teeny project. Now it's time to assemble the cake. First, I'll put those eyes on. Followed by the nose. Then the little paws. And in the back, I'm going to put a little ball of fondant. This is going to be the little cottontail. Behind the scenes, I've prepared some colorful buttercream icing, for which I'm going to add the hair or fur, whichever you want to call it. The pretty design that goes on the top, starting with her favorite color, purple. Amethyst is actually what she wanted. Using my Russian piping tip, piping some little pink flowers in between all those little purple rosettes. Add a touch of turquoise with another serrated tip. And again, I loved the look on the mother's face. She was so happy. Wish I could have seen the daughter's face. I mean, that would have just been amazing. And a touch of yellow. This is a little star tip. Not quite enough purple. I think I'll just add a little more purple on top of all this design. And sprinkles! Look at these little Easter sprinkles. They're so cute! Her little tail is going to be completely purple. Stars on the outside and a little rosette on the middle. Now it's time to put those ears in. Right down in that cake, both of them. And there you have it! Isn't she so cute? If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. It really helps my videos get out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!